Hello friends, welcome guys to my channel. So friends, how are you, and thanks for coming on my channel, and welcome guys to my channel. So friends, today our video is about natural tears Alcon. The eye drops name is Alcon. Alcon 15 ml natural tears, and natural tears called as artificial tears. Basically it is artificially made eye drops. When you are crying, this is your drops. Okay, it is an artificially made and named as natural tears. Okay, so basically it is about from for eye. If you have same problem and you are using that product, then it is very good product. Without doctor prescription you can't use that. I cannot recommend you. Okay, so friends, today our video is about natural tears Alcon 15 ml eye drops. So we will discuss about that some usage and some advantage and disadvantages. Basically here it is. It's an eye drops 15 ml tears natural. So we read about some basic explanations of that. Follow all direction on the product package. If you have any question, ask your doctor or pharmacist. Do not use a solution that has changed color or is cloudy. Certain brands containing glycerine with polysaccharides among the other ingredients may have a milky appearance. This is okay as long as the solution does not change color. Some eye drops need to be shaken before use, like that. This is okay as long as the solution does not change. Check the label to see if you should shake your product before using. Here it is written in the prescription that you have to shake or not. Okay, usually drops may be used as often as needed. Ointments are usually used 1 to 2 times daily as needed. If using an ointment once a day, it may be best to use it at bedtime. Basically you have to use, the best time is that on bedtime at night when you are sleeping. To apply eye ointment drops gel, wash hand first. To avoid contamination, be careful not to touch the drops or top of the ointment tube or let it touch your eye. Always replace the cap tightly after each use. Tilt your head back, look up and pull down the lower eyelid to make a pouch for drops. Gels place the dropper directly over the eye and squeeze out 1 or 2 drops as needed. Look down and gently close your eye for 1 to 2 minutes. Place one finger at the corner of the eye near the nose and apply gentle pressure. This will prevent the medication from draining eye from the eye. For an ointment, hold the tube directly over the eye gently. For ointment, hold the tube directly 1/4 of an inch or roughly 6 millimeters of ointment into the pouch. Release the medication. Blot away any extra ointment from around the eye with a clean tissue. If you are also using another kind of eye medication, drop or ointments, wait at least 5 minutes before applying other medications. Use eye drop before eye ointment to allow the eye drops to enter the eye. If you wear contact lenses, remove them before using the most kind of eye lubricants. Ask your doctor or pharmacist when you may replace your contact lenses. When you There are few types of eye lubricants. Some they contain polysorbates that can be used while wearing contact lenses. Check the package to see if you have to wear that. Here it is. Contact lenses while using your product. Tell your doctor if your condition persists or worsens after 3 days. Vision may be temporarily blurred when this product is first used. Also, minor burning, stinging, irritation may temporarily occur if any of these effects persist or worsen. Tell your doctor or pharmacist promptly. If your doctor has directed you to see this medication, remember that he or she has judged that the benefit to you is greater than the risk or side effect. Many people using the medication do not have a serious side effects, but they use randomly. Tell your doctor right away if any of these unlikely but serious side effect occurs: eye pain, change in vision, continued eye redness, irritation. A very serious allergic reaction to this drug is rare. However, seek immediate medical attention if you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, including rash, itching, swelling, especially of the face, tongue, throat, severe dizziness, trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects. Basically, today our video is about Alcon natural tears. So we read about some advantages and disadvantages, that how to use that. At the best time to use is at bedtime. Some drops have a label that before using you have to shake that, and some label not. If you have to buy this, and go to your medical store, and please read this prescription. Is very important for every patient before taking this. So thanks for watching and coming on to today. Our video is about Alcon natural tears. So if you like our video, then please subscribe my channel, like my video, and thanks for watching and coming on channel. If you like my, if you don't like my video, then please go give a thumb up my video. We meet in the next video with another topic. Thanks for watching and coming on my channel.